Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ammar Jasri. Today our group will present our website, which is DecideGamingCepat space. Is about the benefits of video games for kids and adults. Before we proceed to the objective, I would like to introduce our group members. Firstly is myself, Ammar Jasri, as a content creator, and then the second one is Nur Amani, as graphic designer, which is responsible for creating aesthetically pleasing images that accompany written text. And then the last one, which is our brain in this group, which is Syabil Danial, as a web developer. He is the one that responsible for the coding, design and layout of this website. And then we proceed to the objective of this website. So the reason we create our this website is to share information about disadvantages of the video games, the type of platform that we can play the video games, and then the career that we can go through with the video games. And then secondly, to create bonding between parents and their children. And then the third one is to provide information to parents on how to control their children playing video games. And then for the target users, who are potential users to searching and surfing for our website. Firstly, the gamers and non-gamers, and then the second one, generally the kids and adults, and lastly the parents. And then for the last one is the software of this website that we use to create this website. As you can see already, the WordPress logo. So basically the main software for this website is WordPress. That's all from me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syabil Danial bin Saiflizan. My metric number 1181548. And today I will continue our presentation for the website layout and design part. So first of all, in the making of our website, we are using WordPress website builder. So for your information, WordPress is free to use and is an open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. So there are some interesting features that have been provided by WordPress itself, such as plugin architecture and a template system. So for those who want to build website in a short term of time, we can use WordPress website builder for making our website. So continue to the next part, which is the design layout. So if you are using WordPress website builder, WordPress will give us 3 option of website. As you can see now, this is the design layout for the computer or laptop. So this is the computer design layout. So this is the sample for the tablet mode. WordPress also give the option for tablet, and this is the example from the phone point of view. So when we use WordPress website builder, WordPress will give us 3 option of layout. First is the from PC or from laptop, second is from tablet, and third is from phone. So first of all, let us see on the head part of our website. So this is our header, the gaming authority, which is actually the website title, the gaming authority, since we are making a gaming website about games. So DecideGamingCepat space is our group name, and it's actually a home button. Actually, there are 2 home button in our navigation bar. It is for our user, if we press the Decide Gaming Cepat space, it will go to home page, and if we press home, it also lead to the home page. So this is our navigation bar. So there are home, type, platform, advantage, disadvantage, and references. So all of the content will be presented by my friends later. So on our navigation bar also, we have included a search button. For example, I will show. Okay, for example, I want to know about gaming that are latest in the world now. So for example, I type one of the gaming platform, PS5, and I type enter. So the website will narrow down to the article that have been that have keyword about the word that have been searched. So yeah, here you can see we found one result for your search for PS5, and it located in the platform page. So like I said, Decide Gaming Cepat space and home button is actually will lead to our main page. So when I click Decide Gaming Cepat space, and it will lead to our main page. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about the features that have been included in our website is the scroll up button. So this scroll up button is one of the most important thing that we should consider when we build website, because our user do not have to scroll up and down, scroll up where if they want to use the navigation bar. So if we press to the top, it will automatically scroll to the top, and we will see the home page and the navigation bar again. Another things that we use to ease our users is we have upper navigation bar and lower navigation bar. So this is exactly the same like the upper navigation bar, but we make it at the bottom of our website so the users can easily go to the page that they want to see. If they press home, it will go to the main page like usually. So that's all from me, and all the content part will be continued and will be presented by my friend after this.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amani binti S1. My number is 1181524. So today I will continue my presentation at website content section. This website is divided into 6 pages. The first of which is an introduction to video games on the home page. Next, we will look at the types of video games. This website also describes 9 other types of video games, including sandbox, real-time strategy, shooter, MOBA, role-playing simulation, sports, puzzles and party games, and action-adventure games. Next is the platform page. Video game platform are what medium are used for gamers to play games. Among the platform used are game streamers through live social media, game play tester, and professional esport players. Next is the video game advantages page. In this page carries the theme everything must be advanced. Each has its own advantages including video games. The advantages of the video games are: number 1, video game can be used as an exercise for a child how to manage to win. And number 2 is life skill in teamwork. Number 3 can also be toward education because students can also learn from games and then apply what they have learned in a real life setting. Number 4, job skill because game helps students learn higher order thinking skills such as problem solving, interpretive analysis, and more. Okay, next is the video game disadvantages page. Each advantages will be accompanied by disadvantages. Number 1 is addiction because dopamine is released into our system when we play, giving us a sense of pleasure and telling our brain to do it again. Number 2 is social replacement, means they are less out socializing with the people around them because they focus on the game. Number 3 is violence. We as parents need to always be mindful of the game that children play. What we have to avoid is violence because they worry about following the violence from the games they played. The following page is the reference page. We have gathered all of the website URLs that we use to relate to the stuff we have written on this page. Finally, I can conclude from our website with the dalil of the Al-Quran and the Hadith to relate to seeking the knowledge. The Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, "Talabul ilmu fadilatun ala kulli muslim." The meaning, demanding knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim. Hadis riwayat Ibnu Majah. And also Allah said in the Al-Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu idza qila lakum tafassahu fil majalis fafsahu yafsahillahu lakum wa idza qila anshuzu fanshuzu yarfa'illahu alladhina amanu minkum walladhina utul ilma darajat wallahu bima ta'maluna khabir. The meaning, all you who believe, when it is said to you, make room in the assembly, then make room. Surely Allah will give space for you, and when it said stand up, then stand up. Surely Allah will raise those who believe among you and those who are given knowledge by degrees. And Allah is aware of what you do. From Surah Al-Ma'idah verses 11. Why we choose this to dalil? Because the website we bring is to the concept of website information, giving knowledge about video games. When we want to make something, we must know that in the more details and know the pros and cons of the thing. So that is all for me. Thank you.